In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices using QuickBooks. This walkthrough will make your invoicing process smooth and efficient, ensuring you get paid on time. So let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to QuickBooks by opening your web browser and typing in the relevant URL. This will take you directly to the home page, where you'll be able to access all of QuickBooks features and tools. Before moving further, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks account so you can seamlessly move through the next steps. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look for and click on the Invoices section. This is your command center for managing all things related to billing and receiving payments from your customers. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this part of QuickBooks, as it will be your go-to for all invoice-related activities. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Invoice button. This button is prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking it will take you to a new screen where you'll start detailing the invoice for your customer. Creating an invoice is straightforward, but having all the necessary information on hand, like the customer detail and the service provided, will make the process even smoother. Now, let's add a product or service to your invoice. On the invoice screen, there is an option labeled Product or Service. Click on it to access a drop-down menu where you can select the specific item or service you're billing for. This step ensures that your invoice reflects the correct charges, so accuracy here is key. After setting up your products or services, you'll need to configure the Customer Payment options. By clicking on this option, you can set how your customers can pay you. QuickBooks offers various payment options such as credit card, bank transfers, or online payments. Offering multiple payment options can help speed up the payment process, making it convenient for your customers. The next part involves adding a Note to Customer. This field allows you to include any additional message or instructions you need your customer to know. Customizing this note can enhance your professionalism and communication with your customers. If the invoice information needs further documentation or context, click on Memo on Statement. This is typically hidden, but finding and using it can serve as a useful reminder of any additional information when the customer reviews the invoice. You might also need to attach additional documentation to your invoice. The Attachments option allows you to upload and link relevant files, which can be essential for providing more comprehensive information to your client. Finally, you can manage all these details using the Manage button. Clicking this button allows you to review the entire invoice, make necessary adjustments, and ensure that everything is correct before you send it off. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to create and manage invoices in QuickBooks efficiently. Remember, keeping your invoices accurate and detailed can help ensure faster payments and improved cash flow for your business. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.